In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for tickets in Freshdesk. If you manage customer requests, knowing how to quickly find the right ticket will save you time and help you respond faster. We'll walk through logging in, using the search bar, entering effective keywords, viewing your results, and narrowing them down with filters so you land on exactly what you need. Start by logging into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where your tickets live. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. It's a good idea to sign in from a secure connection and avoid sharing your credentials with anyone else. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the Freshdesk interface. It's pinned to the header, so it's accessible from most pages. Click into it to activate the cursor. Even if you're on a different module, you can use this bar to find tickets without hunting through folders or views. Now beat? Enter your keywords. You can search by ticket ID, customer name, or subject. If you know the exact ticket ID, type it in. IDs are unique, so this will usually take you straight to a single match. When searching by customer name, try the full name if you have it, but first or last name alone can work too. For subjects, think of the most distinctive words from the email or issue title. Short, specific terms tend to perform better than long phrases. Spelling matters, so if you don't see what you expect, try a simpler or corrected version of your keyword. After typing your keywords, press Enter to view results. The list that appears shows tickets that match your search. Give it a moment if you're working with a large database. If nothing comes up, refine your search by removing extra words or double-checking the ticket ID format. If you get too many results, don't worry, we'll narrow them down next. Use filters to focus your results. Start with status to show only tickets that are open, pending, or resolved, depending on what you're looking for. Next, apply a priority filter, such as high or low, to surface the most urgent items first. Finally, use the date filter to limit results to a specific range, helpful when you know roughly when the ticket was created or updated. You can combine these filters to zoom in quickly, and if your list gets too small, relax one filter at a time to widen the results. When you're done, clear or adjust filters so future searches start broad again. That's it. Log in, use the search bar, enter strong keywords, press enter, and refine with filters for status, priority, and date. With a little practice, you'll find tickets in seconds.